Can't find the logout button in Gmail? Don't worry. Here's how to sign out of Gmail on both your phone and your computer, step by step. First, go to gmail.com and make sure you're signed in. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. Then simply click Sign Out. That's it. You're now logged out of Gmail on desktop. Now, for mobile, open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap your profile photo and select Manage Accounts on this device. Tap your account and select Remove or Sign Out, depending on your phone. This won't delete your Gmail, it just signs you out. If you're using Android, the option might say Google Account Settings instead. On iPhone, it may take you to the device settings directly. After signing out, some apps may stop syncing, like Calendar or Google Drive. You can always re-add your account later to restore access. Want to switch accounts instead of logging out? Use Add Account to switch easily. If this helped, hit the like button and follow for more quick Google tips and mobile tutorials. Got a question? Drop it in the comments.